Ever heard of Sekhmet, the fierce lioness of myth? She's not just a symbol of raw power, she's a deity of contradiction. Her breath formed the desert, yet she's also a guardian of healers. Imagine a goddess who could bring both plague and cure with a single glance. In ancient Egypt, she embodied the balance of life's terrifying force and its merciful healing. But there's a twist. She's a reminder that even gods have more than one face. What if we've been misled about our world's stories? Imagine what secrets we'll find if we look deeper. Don't you want to know more? Follow to explore the hidden sides of history.